Hello friends, in today's video we are going to explain practical part of event handling. Okay, after understanding these practicals you will be more interested in this topic event handling because it is much more interactive than console based programs. Okay, event based GUI based programs are more important, more interesting than our console based programs. So let's start. First example is mouse events demo. So as we have explained, this package is created, mouse events demo. Class is also created. AWT package, event package is imported. Okay. So as I have explained you in the theory part, every event handler should extend frame for the outer window creation. Then this example is implementing two interfaces. First is mouse listener and second is mouse motion listener. Okay, so all the methods that are included in these interfaces, whichever you are implementing, it is must for you to implement all of those methods. Okay, and when you are using the adapter, that is you are extending the adapter class, it is not compulsory that you have to import or implement all the methods. It is up to you. Whichever methods are required by you, those methods only you will be implementing. Okay, so here we are implementing the interface, so it is must for us to implement all of the methods including in this mouse listener and mouse motion listener interfaces. Message mouse x mouse y coordinates are created as a variable. Then mouse listener mouse motion listener is created, added over here. And for window we have added the window adapter class object. Okay, for GUI based AWT event handler do not include or do not operate when you are closing the window using close button. It is not explicitly closed. It will be not implicitly closed. You have to close it using system.exit. For that system.exit 0, you have to create a class called my window adapter that implement the window listener interface. Okay, all this stuff I have already explained in the theory part. If you have not understood this, you can go back and again revise so that you will understand it better. And when you will particularly and perfectly understand the theory part, the practical part is very much easier for you. And after understanding practical, it is more easier so that you can practice by your own. Okay, so mouse click event is implemented. Okay, message is appended, click receive, then repaint is called. It will tell the AWT to call the paint method. Mouse entered, mouse x and y coordinates are updated as 100 and 100, and at that 100 and 100 your mouse entered each message is displayed, and you are calling the paint method using repaint. Okay, mouse exited, you are printing message mouse exited. Mouse button pressed, get x and y coordinates of this ME mouse event object, and button down is pressed, printed at that position x and y coordinate. Okay, and then paint is called on mouse release. Here also using this object x and y coordinates are get, and button release is called, and mouse drag. Okay, message start plus mouse add x coordinate plus y coordinate, and paint method is called. Okay, then mouse move, moving mouse at this one x coordinate, y coordinate, and paint method is called. And when you are calling the paint method, the actual message with the x and y coordinate, that is the latest mouse x and mouse y variable values, will be taken to have the location x and y coordinate, and at that particular location your message will be displayed. How your message will be displayed? This is the graphics object. It is compulsory to have. Then g.drawString message at x and y coordinate. Okay, this is the graphics object .drawString method, and it is compulsory for all event handler in AWT based events. Then we are creating the object of the class mouse events demo that is implementing mouse listener and mouse motion listener. Then outer window is created with the dimension 300 into 300. Title is mouse events demo, set visibility as true. And this is the my window adapter. Okay. is extends window adapter, and on window closing only the closing method we have implemented. The extra 5 to 6 methods are avoided, okay, silently ignored over here. So now I can run this project in front of you. Okay, this is the mouse events demo. It is a title. This is the minimize button, maximize button, and close button. I am moving mouse over here. Okay, my cursor is moving, and x and y coordinate of this cursor are displayed. Okay, then I'm star mouse at dragging mouse at 568 into 317, 625, 344, 650, 670, 61, 71, etc. etc. Button released, button down, click receive. I am clicking, click receive on button pressed, button released, button released. Okay, mouse button release, button down, button release, button down. Okay, so all this stuff, I'm again dragging the mouse pointer at again different location. So if suppose here the location having coordinates 165, 175, 176, 559. Okay, so this way, this is the mouse events demo. Okay, you can go through this project once if you have not understood any topic, or if you want to write it down in your book, or you have to take a screenshot. Okay, all this stuff, same code that we have already implemented in the theory part, the same project, same program is here. Only in that we were seeing only practical on only theory in PPT, and here we are implementing the practical. Okay, every time x and y coordinates are updated, and at that particular location in the paint method x and y coordinate, this message will be displayed. Okay, this is the important thing you have to remember, and you cannot directly paint more than once. Okay, when AWT is first open, when it's first open, GUI window is first open, paint will be called. Okay, first time you are running the program. Second time, when another window is covering the GUI base window, that is your output, and again it is uncovered, that is minimized, outer window is minimized. Okay, front window is minimized. For example, you are running this project now. Okay, so at this run time, this is the window. Okay, if suppose I am opening any other window like paint over here, paint 3D. Okay, so every time it is covering the window and decovering again, it is again paint method, calling the paint method. All other times you have to call the repaint, and this repaint will tell the AWT that you have to call the paint method. This is the paint method, is compulsory and important method. This is the main method, public static void main. Okay, and these three things are common in all the programs you are going to see in the practical part. Set size, set title, and set visibility is equal to true. Okay, and this is the window adapter for the close one. What is close? This is close button. When here I am calling this close, system.exit will be called. Okay, and then it will close the window. Now I am closing this project, and the second project is simple key demo. Package simple key. Okay, okay. This extends frame implements key listener. key state string is created. Add key listener and add window listener is override. Key pressed method is implemented. Key state is key down. On key released and key type. So there are three things, three events will be generated when you are dealing with the key listener interface, key pressed, key released, and key type. Okay, when you are typing, the message will be appended with a character. Okay, included provided your character is generated using the key. All the function keys like F1, F2, F3 are the special keys. Okay, those will not generate any character. Only A to G and plus your 1 to 0 to 9 digit key will only generate the characters. This is the paint method. String will be drawn at this particular message will be drawn at this particular x and y coordinates 20 and 100, and key state is displayed at this particular location, x coordinate 20 and y coordinate 50. Okay, and in main method, object of this class is created, then set size, set title, set visibility is true. Okay, dimension, you can give any dimension as you need. It is not compulsory that whatever I am providing, you have to give the same. You can provide any dimension. Okay, so maximum dimension will be yours laptop screen dimension. Okay, and this is the window closing. Now I can run this code. This is a simple window created. Okay, the simple keys are, this is simple key event. I am pressing backspace. It is taking as a backspace blocks. Okay, one thing I will do, I will again run this. Hi, my name is Suvarna. Okay, I am explaining you simple key event demo. By mistake, it's printed as B. Okay, okay. So every time I'm pressing the key, it is down, and when I'm releasing, now I'm releasing the enter key, it is showing me key up. You can see over here. You can see my cursor, key down, key up, key down, key up, key down, key down. Okay. So you can go through this one. Okay. Third truth is key events demo. So this will be dealing with our special keys package key events demo is generated. Okay, so special keys are our function keys, key down, key up, arrow keys, and etc. etc. All that keys that have the special constants, integer constants created in the chart we have seen very far. All these keys are special keys, and those can be given in this switch case we are going to see right now. Okay, so this is the key events demo sending frame implementing key listener. Key events demo is a parameterized constructor. Key listener is added. Window listener is also added, and new my window adapter is passed as a parameter. Key pressed, key state is key down. Okay, so whenever I'm pressing the key code is get ke dot key code. So this is generated. Ke is a key event generated. So here its code is taken over here, integer key. So this code as a constant will be passed to this switch case. Okay, so we can underscore F1, F2 key, F3 key, page down, and then page up, left, right, etc. etc. All that stuff is included over here. Okay, and reprint is called key release, key up is printed, key type message will be appended. Okay. So if you are pressing the simple key, its key message will be appended with a character. And if you are pressing the special keys, its character will be like appended like message plus is equal to F1. Okay. So then in the public static void main, in the paint method, message is displayed at 2000 and key state is displayed as 20 into 50. This is the object of the class created who is implementing the key listener interface. Okay, and this is the window adapter. Now I will run this code. Hi, myself Suvarna. Okay, now I am pressing the F4 key. F4 is not included. F1 is printed. Page up, page down. Right arrow, left arrow. Okay. F2 and F3 in my keyboard are not working, so this will not be displayed. Okay, I can do one thing. I can add more keys. Those are working and in this my laptop, so that you will understand. Okay, so I am adding F3 F8. Suppose F8. Then I don't know if these keys are working or not. I'm just trying. Let's see what happens. Hello. F4. F8, F9 are working over here. F1 is also working. Page down, etc. Okay. So this way we have understood it, how it's working. Special keys, how they are working. So you can go through this code as usual. Okay. So now I will close this one. Next is adapter demo, in which we can implement those methods only in which we are interested, or the methods that are required by us. Only methods we will implement, not all methods. Okay, adapter demo string. Add mouse listener, add mouse motion listener, new mouse adapter. Okay, and window adapter. This is the main method. Here we are creating the object of the class adapter demo. So first is only mouse click and drag events. Here we are implementing my mouse adapter extends mouse adapter. So only method we are implementing. First of all, what we are giving is parameterized constructor. Parameter will be the object of the adapter demo class. And what the adapter demo class is having? Mouse listener, mouse motion listener, and window listener. Okay, so that will be handling the keyboard. Okay, mouse click message will be appended as mouse click adapter demo message, and paint will be called adapter demos paint will be called. Since it is extending frame, the outer window will be provided by that only. Then mouse drag will be appended and paint will be called, and this is the window adapter. The explanation I have already done in the theory part. If you are not able to understand, you can go through this in the theory part. Okay. Now I am dragging the mouse and clicking the mouse. Now again dragging, again clicking. Okay, this way the message is updated. It is dragging, it will display as mouse drag. If it is click, it will display mouse click. Okay, every time repent will be called, and every time in main, in paint, what will be done? G.drawString message will be my new message. That is blank message. Not it will be appended, it will be overwritten. Okay. So I am closing this one. Okay. Next is mouse press demo. Package mouse press demo is created. Okay. Does not use the inner class. Without inner class, this is extending frame. Message blank is created. Mouse press demo. New mouse adapter. Like a previous example, we are adding the adapter in the bracket as a parameter. Okay, then paint method is called drawString, created to drawString, and my mouse adapter extends mouse adapter. Mouse press demo object is initialized like this dot mouse press demo is equal to this object, whatever we are passing as a parameter in the main method. Okay, and handle the mouse on mouse press will be like overwritten like this, and paint method will be called. Okay, and in the main method, what we are doing, my mouse adapter, every time new my mouse adapter is passed as an add in the add mouse listener. Okay, every time listener will be added, and when listener will be added, new mouse adapter will be passed as a parameter. Okay. So now I can run this project as usual. Mouse pressed, mouse pressed, mouse pressed, like this. Only mouse pressed is handled. Okay, without the inner class. You can go through this project. It is extending frame like in the previous example. Okay, so when we are passing it like a new mouse adapter, this will be passed as a parameter, and this is what the frame. Okay, this is the frame, that is the outer window. New mouse adapter, the parameters constructor is called, and this, that is this class, is passed as a parameter, and this is the frame, that is outer window. Okay, and main message is this, and it is called repeat. Okay, this way this program is also finished. Now we can go with this next one, inner class demo. Here also package inner class demo is created. Okay, then here it extends frame. Two packages are imported like AWT and event. These are the important packages you have to remember. Then this extends frame in inner class demo. New my mouse adapter is provided. New window adapter is provided. Okay, so mouse my adapter extends mouse adapter. and mouse pressed event is implemented over here and message is overwritten as mouse pressed. Okay, all this stuff is same. My window adapter and your paint method and inner class demo object is created. Okay, so what is different? This is the class. So whatever you are writing over here, this is the inner class to handle the mouse based events. Okay, so whatever you are writing, it is inside your inner class. Okay, so this class can directly call the can have variables inside this, like this message is equal to mouse pressed. So it can directly access the variables in the inner class demo. Okay, so this is the main point in the inner class. So whatever you are writing, that will be written inside the is my mouse adapter is not outer class, inside the inner class demo class. So you can directly access this message is equal to mouse pressed. Okay, so again we will run this. It will handle the same output, mouse pressed. Whenever I am clicking, it will be creating mouse pressed event. Okay, so now you can go through this. So this class is also written inside, not outside. Okay, and main is also written in the same class. So nothing is written outside like in the previous example. So you can directly access the variables and methods in that. Now anonymous inner class demo is the last project of this event handling chapter. Okay, so this is also anonymous inner class demo. Here we are adding inner class to handle mouse based events. Add mouse listener is equal to new mouse adapter, and directly we are having the opening and closing curly braces. Explanation of this is already done in the theory part. If you are not understanding here, you can again go back and check the explanation part. Okay, so this is the parameterizer, default constructor of this class, and here we are directly giving the anonymous inner class new mouse adapter. So we are not creating adapter like in the previous class mouse adapter extends class my mouse adapter extends mouse adapter. Instead, we are directly creating an object of mouse adapter, new mouse adapter, and implementing the method mouse pressed. Okay, the as simple explanation as it can, and all that remaining stuff is same. Now I can run this one. Mouse pressed. It will generate the same output. Okay, but the difference is instead of creating the my mouse adapter class extends mouse adapter, we are creating directly anonymous inner class in this add mouse listener. Okay, what we were creating in the previous example, we were creating a separate class. Okay, let's see the difference. Inner class demo, and I will open that one so that you will understand the difference. Okay, so here we created this class my mouse adapter extends mouse adapter, and handle that mouse press event ME. Okay, and the object of this my mouse adapter is passed here, new mouse my mouse adapter, in the default constructor of inner class demo. But what we are doing over here is we are directly creating add mouse listener new mouse adapter. So directly we are creating the object of my mouse adapter, and inside we are handling the mouse based event. So no need to write a separate class that extends the mouse adapter, so that it will save our time, it will save the lines to be written. Okay, and it is as simple as that. If you are clearly understanding this, the difference between two, it is very much greater. It is very much great thing, because you are saving our your time also, and you are saving your effort also. Okay, so now you can go through this project. Here also new window adapter is directly added. No class is created. Here we created a class. Here we created a class my window adapter extends window adapter. Instead, we directly passed add window listener new window adapter. And here we handled the method window closing. Okay. And in that we have written system.exit 0. This is the paint method. Okay. That will display message at coordinates 20 into 80. And it's the public static void main. Okay, so this way we have understood all the practical examples related to mouse events and key events, and also inner class and anonymous inner class demo. So in the next session, from the next session onwards, we will see more related topics to our Java programming, more interesting chapters. Okay, so meet you in the next session with the brand new examples. Thank you so much.